Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we are making a smoothie. So today we are making an orange and Greek yogurt smoothie. We hope you're going to enjoy this as much as we did. So to get right into it, the first step is you're going to peel 2 medium-sized oranges, remove all the seeds, and you're just going to freeze your oranges. Once your oranges are frozen, you're going to put them into a blender. To which you're going to add 300 grams of Greek yogurt, and then you're going to add your sweetener. In this case, we chose to go with 2 tablespoons of honey. You can use any type of sweetener you prefer. Sugar as well would work. So pushing everything down just to help it to blend better. Then we're going to add in 50 mils of milk just to help it get going in the blender. So blending this, we hope you're really going to enjoy this recipe as much as we did. And if you like it, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, as that will help our channel grow. So pouring this into a glass, that's how amazing it looks. Like it's really fresh for the summer. So I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we did. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.